Hello. Oh, as you have seen from some of the videos I have already placed, I've been to Paris in a Phantom theme. But the day when I returned, I was of course very tired, but I found in my mailbox this, which was art print which I had ordered. It's an art print made by Phantasma, and they are also Phantom fans and they are artists, and they're currently developing tarot of Phantom of the Opera, and they offer also the card designs that they are developing in several art print sizes. And since I had a spot left and I thought, oh, I could use some more Phantom art, I started looking there and I fell in love, literally in love, with the card, the Lovers, but the Phantom version, of course, because they also have a Raoul version. But I'm a Phantom type, of course. Well, anyway, I'm pre-Phantom. Also, the nice thing is that I like the mystery of tarot. I do not lay them or something like that. So I'm going to open it up and see it in real life. I have only seen it before, of course, when I made my choice on the website. So, and again, as you are used for me, I open it up outside the image because I don't want to lose concentration and cut into something important. And following logic, since this ends an envelope, I try to look for the closure, which I can now easily open, I hope. Oops. And then I find that it's very well packaged, but another surprise, another envelope. I have to release it on the other side, so, but anyway, next step to the unboxing. And here we arrived at the next step, which seems to be quite easy. You just remove this and pull this out. But use your pencil. I know this cannot do any damage, so remember I'm always careful, right? So, maybe I put it here. Oh, okay. A card which I go to later, and a nice packaging of black. Whoa, I might be careful because I want to save that wonderful black velvety paper. I don't know the name in English, but it's very delicate stuff. Well, it keeps the tension out. Really? Oh, I'm so impatient. I'm trying to keep the paper whole, but it's another thing to see it on a screen, of course, than to see it live. By the way, I ordered the largest one because of the place I want to put it. And this is A3. Drum roll. Let's see. Several papers to see. Lucky me, probably I have the wrong side to open it up for you. Ah, no, nothing. Look. And this is it. This is their design for the tarot card of Lovers, the Phantom edition. And it's signed as requested. You can also indeed ask for a signed sample. So here it is. Wonderful. This will be a wonderful addition to my small Phantom art collection. And I also have this, in which they thank me for my order. And there is also a Phantom related sticker on it. I hope you can see it. Just in case you don't see it, I will read it for you. Yours beyond the mirror, yet ever near. I must say my eyes are not that great, so maybe and then the Phantom. Yours beyond the mirror, yet never near. Yeah, I think that's it. So, oh, and a dried rose kind of thing. Yeah, I think This is a dried rose. I determined that. So let's open it up. Oh, and I will translate this because it's Dutch, I now realize. It says, "Dear Karen, thank you for your order. Love, Anja and Sanne." They are Dutch, by the way, which you probably understood already. Wow, look. A certificate of authenticity. Wonderful. In the form of a theater ticket. Wonderful. How creative. I'm so happy with that. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Wonderful. And large 5. Oh, I'm sorry. I should not move it so you can admire it also. And this is then the authenticity certificate for this print. Dear friend, this keepsake is inspired by the timeless tale of the Phantom of the Opera. Each artwork in the Phantom Tarot collection is hand-painted in watercolor and carefully crafted with devotion to story, symbol and meaning. Every piece is printed with care on high-quality materials designed to preserve both its beauty and its mystery. Like Christina's first aria upon the stage of Palais Garnier, these creations are a moment suspended between art and dream. Your item is an authentic part of the Phantom of the Phantom Tarot project by Phantasma Studio. Phantasma Art and Phantasma Studio. Phantasma Studio develops costume in Phantom style, especially beautiful gowns, etc. But also other costumes, but anyway, they are kind of Phantom orientated. Thank you for supporting our small studio. May these shadows and colors inspire you, and may the music of the night linger in your soul. Signed with much love, Phantasma Studio. Wonderful! So personally, so perfectly Phantom. I love it. They added some extras also, must say. I did quite a large order also. And this is an example of their tarot cards. This is Ace of Cups. And oh, I have some others also. The Lovers, like my print. And Page of Cups. The other was the same because I skipped it. They also sell these art cards. So, wait a moment, this comes later. And this is also an art card from them. I have to be patient because, wow! So happy. Yeah, okay, I'm a fangirl. P-H-A-N. Fan. As in Phantom of the Opera. Let's see. From the depths of my opera. Step closer and let my soul unveil itself to you. But be aware, for what you hold was forged in shadow and solitude. Close your eyes and let my music find you where words cannot. And let me claim you in the silence of the night. Do not fear the shadows, for within them lies beauty forbidden, yet eternal. Beyond the mirror, yet ever near the Phantom. Wow! As a fan, this is really, really, really wonderful. And by the way, this really makes my day. First, a vacation in Paris, according my preferences, as quite as possible, if it's possible in Paris. And then the next day when you're back and tired and down, not because of the vacation, but because you're tired of the vacation. And it was timed perfectly that it was in my mailbox. It took me a few days to recover a little bit because I wanted to be rested enough to enjoy this opening. So, oh, I'm sorry, it's a little bit childish, but whoa, They really made a lot of work in it, and they are clearly devoted Phantom fans, which I already knew, but I did not know how they incorporated it into their work except from designing it that way. But it's so detailed, so 100% Phantom. Wow. I still have to find the perfect frame for it, but when it's finished, I will show it to you together with my other little collection of Phantom art, which I have hanging around in my house. And if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!